All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one from a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Reader for a discount. This is Maruchan Ori no Shio Yakisoba. Really thin noodle. So that's how we're able to cook it in 1 minute. At the end. Pretty sure at the beginning. Let me look and see what's in here. Yeah. No way I'm putting that not in at the end. Okay. This should go pretty quick. I mean, it is one minute. Yeah, I hope everybody's having a splendid day. It is July 3rd, 2023 here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington, where, oh yeah, people are kind of rude. So they were supposed to do some kind of like, I don't know, some kind of Pride Month art installation or something. And they put up a little sign that said, due to safety concerns, they're not going to do it. Which makes me think just like, I don't think they're talking about the heat index being too high. I think it's because they're worried that people will do something untoward to people that are interested in the arts and of that persuasion. It's kind of, it's like, dude, really? People are way too sensitive to such things. Just let people be. Whatever. I had somebody actually get all bent out of shape actually just yesterday about a review I did a while back saying pretty close to the same thing. They were like, you gotta I don't know. I think we should just let people do as they like. Certainly some people think that, and then they don't want other people to do what they like. I don't know. If you understand the workings of humanity and the universe, please like, subscribe, and comment below, because I certainly don't. Drained noodle in pot. Now we're gonna see if it does the thing that I really dislike about noodles like this. I'm really hoping it doesn't. What is that thing, Ramen Reader? I don't like when they've got, this is a Shio flavor. Shio is like a clear broth. Is this gonna be a dark? A little bit. That's a start. But I like it when if I'm making yakisoba, I want you to be able to tell that there's sauce on the noodle, and when you can't, it just kind of bums me out. And there's a powder base. So we will do a little stirring now. Yeah, 1 minute. So my question is, I guess I could look it up. So people like to say, oh, I need that in a New York minute. Is a New York minute longer than a minute or shorter than a minute? Is that like a second? Because they're so busy in New York, they don't have time for full 60-second minutes. I just don't know. I'm from the Seattle area. I don't know about such things. Although, I'd love to check out New York. It'd be interesting. I really like old areas. I really like alleys. I don't know why, but old alleys, especially down by the water, just have that kind of like decay of time. Cheers. That's good. I like that. Very thin noodle. Nice flavor. Now, yesterday, I went and I got the mail. Thank you. And when I got the mail, people will leave junk in the mailroom. And there was this rad bowl, and there was some just red plates. Well, this rad bowl, unfortunately, and it was totally a ramen bowl, but it had a crack or a little chip. I'm like, that's no big deal. I can Photoshop that out. But then I looked at the chip and followed it down, and it wasn't just a chip. It was a crack. But then they had these red plates, and I was like, this looks like a crack, but it's not. I don't know if you can see it, but it goes all the way along the length of the plate. I think what it is somebody just went with their fork or something. I'll try it at least once. You're gonna do that? You're just gonna be silly? It's being silly, folks. There's not much I can do about this. Sometimes it works, and sometimes it just doesn't work. Okay, we're gonna add some onion. I've got, I just might go minimalist on this one. I'll add a Naruto. I know. Bougie ramen. God, somebody brought that up again. It's like if I'm using an ingredient that's not like Velveeta, it's bougie. Short for bourgeoisie, like elite class stuff. It's like, dude, it's just something that's used overseas more often than we see it here. That's it. People are weird. That's my realization of the day. Alright, that's it for that one. Finally, for the fourth review I'll be doing today, this is Nissen, Germany's Big Soba Wok Style Classic Yakisoba from Germany. And it should be good. The other ones are pretty good. So this is going to be a regular good old Yakisoba style noodle. So we'll check that out on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out. Thanks, have a good one, and bye-bye.